Hi everyone. Today my recipe is very delicious and summer special methi paratha with its two side dishes. It's very high protein food, very tasty. Let us start. Take a handful of methi leaves. Only leaves, do not use the stem here. Handful is enough. Wash well 2 to 3 times. Once washed, strain it for 2 to 3 minutes, then cut into small pieces. I took here 2 cups of water and half cup of besan and required salt. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and half teaspoon of ajwain. Crush and add to flour. And add 1 tablespoon of sesame. This will give extra taste to our dish. Add 1/4 teaspoon of hing and half teaspoon of black salt. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add chopped methi leaves. Add required water gradually, then mix well like chapati dough. Keep aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Meantime, we will we will do side dishes. Grate one small carrot or half a big carrot and take a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 or 2 red chili, then add grated carrot and 1 or 2 stems of curry leaves. Fry them 3 to 4 minutes. Then take 1 bowl of curd, add salt and black salt, coriander, green chili as per your taste. Add fried carrot and add 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Then mix well. If you have bundi, you can add bundi also for this dish. This side dish is ready now. Keep aside. This is very tasty and healthy in summer. It will give moisture to our body. I am having here iceberg lettuce. That's why I am using this. Wash the iceberg. Then cut into small pieces. This contains a lot of folic acid. That means it contains water. This very tasty iceberg salad. Add half cup of grated carrot and half cup of onion and half cup of tomatoes. There is no measurements for veggies and 1 or 2 stems of chopped curry leaves and 1 or 2 green chili. Add salt. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and black salt is enough and add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil is fine for this salad. If you don't have, you can use sunflower oil and as per taste you can add chili flakes. If you don't like, you can skip this chili flakes. Then mix well. Salad is ready. Now sprinkle the atta and preparing stone. Then mix the dough And take a little bit more like chapati. Little bit more dough, then roll it into thin chapati. I am going here folded square shaped paratha to prepare. Apply the ghee for entire chapati. Then fold as I shown. Fold and again apply the ghee. It will, if you fold the paratha, you can get the layered paratha. On final stage, you don't apply the ghee. Here sprinkle the atta, then roll into square shape. You can roll it as a round shape or a triangle shape as your wish. Is very tasty. Ghee is very healthy comparing to oil. This gives methi paratha to very tasty. Apply few drops of ghee to sides. Then turn 3 to 4 times. It will form the layers. This is fine. Do all the parathas. You can take 9 to 10 parathas using by this quantity of the flour. Is very softy paratha is ready. You can take these parotas in traveling time, and now serving time. Carrot, curd, raita, and iceberg salad. If you want a spiciness, add some pickle. I'm using here tomato pickle. I will upload coming videos tomato how to make a pickle, a tomato pickle. I'm going to taste this paratha with three side dishes. Some people like spiciness, they can use pickle. Lot of people likes curd with paratha, and my option is salad. I like always salad with this type of parathas. This special salad will give our body to into cool. If you have available iceberg, you can make and eat. Once you eat again and again, you will prepare in your home. Do not use outside food. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos and give a like and comment. Share this video to your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching.